Creating a soldering iron using a pencil is not recommended for several reasons. While it might be an interesting DIY project, it is unlikely to provide the performance and safety required for soldering electronic components effectively. Soldering irons are precision tools designed for the specific task of melting solder and joining electrical components. Here's why using a pencil for this purpose is not advisable. Lack of temperature control. Most soldering irons have temperature control to ensure that the solder melts at the right temperature without overheating or damaging the components. A pencil lacks this control, making it difficult to maintain a consistent and safe soldering temperature. Safety concerns. Pencils are not designed for high-temperature applications. Attempting to use one as a soldering iron could lead to overheating, which may cause burns or start a fire. Inefficient heat transfer. Pencils are not designed to efficiently transfer heat to the solder, so soldering joints would be less effective and could result in weak or unreliable connections. Inadequate tip. Soldering irons have specific tips designed for soldering work which help in controlling the flow of solder. A pencil does not have the appropriate tip for soldering. Materials compatibility. The materials used in pencils and soldering irons are not designed for the same purposes. Soldering irons are typically made with heat-resistant materials, while pencils are not. If you need to solder electronic components or perform any soldering work, it is highly recommended that you use a proper soldering iron designed for the task. Soldering irons are relatively inexpensive and are available in various models, including those suitable for beginners. Using the right tool will ensure better results, safety, and reliability in your soldering projects. Attempting to use a pencil as a makeshift soldering iron can lead to damage to your components and pose safety risks.